Hello H-Minute viewers, I wanted to put together a special announcement video. As you all know, well maybe some of you don't, but we have mentioned this several times throughout the years. We at H-Minute strive to remain non-biased and neutral. This way we can establish that we're a trustworthy source for molecular hydrogen therapy. For this reason, we do not promote hydrogen products on our channel. However, that does not preclude educational hydrogen sources or products. Recently, a close friend of mine by the name of Robert Centenary wrote one of the best, if not the best, book on hydrogen therapy in the industry. Robert is the CEO of SPR Clinical Research in California, and he is a molecular hydrogen researcher. In fact, he's been a part of some really cool research projects on molecular hydrogen, and we have even referenced a few of his articles in our videos. Here are a couple of his research articles. This one is titled Clinical Effects of Hydrogen Administration, From Animals and Human Diseases to Exercise Medicine, published in 2016. The review article is a comprehensive review of molecular hydrogen's therapeutic effects, covering many disease models and organs in the body. It includes Garth Nicholson, a Nobel Prize nominee, and Dr. Oda, who is considered the father of hydrogen. It was one of my favorite review articles to share back then and still today. The next one is titled Effects of Hydrogenized Water on Intracellular Biomarkers for Antioxidants, Glucose Uptake, Insulin Signaling, SIRT1, and telomerase activity. This is also a fascinating paper that demonstrates molecular hydrogen appears to have antioxidant property, benefit glucose uptake, improve insulin signaling, and has anti-aging effects. Well, my friend and researcher wrote a book that is for everyone. The book is called Live Healthier, Better, and Longer with Hydrogen. Though he is a researcher, this book is fun to read, easy to understand, and helps everyone comprehend molecular hydrogen's effects. Let me read the review I sent to be featured in the book because it sums it up well. Bob Centenary has done a fantastic job with this book. As someone who has spent years helping the everyday person understand the complex subject of the medical research of molecular hydrogen, I can attest it can be an immensely challenging task, especially without compromising accuracy. This book has the perfect balance of simplification, humor, helpful graphics and analogies, and an explanation of the science. In my experience, it takes all of those things to convey critical information about a novel topic to the public. I am excited to have another simple resource at my disposal when educating people about hydrogen therapy. I consider Bob Centenary a fellow brother in arms on the front lines of bringing awareness to hydrogen therapy and helping hydrogen for health become mainstream. This book will be one of the many tools to help accomplish that goal. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed and would highly recommend this book. This is a must-have resource if you want to share a book about hydrogen with your friends, your family. This is the book you should use. Well, here's the deal. Literally the deal. Bob actually values H-Minute so much that we're actually featured in his book as a resource. It is truly humbling to be featured alongside other researchers, PhDs, and MDs. On top of that, he is actually making his book available to H-Minute viewers for 10% off. By going to the link in the description, you will automatically receive 10% off your purchase of this book. You can also go to his website and use our code H2Hub10 to receive 10% off. Either way, take advantage of this deal. With the discount, you can get his book for $18. Lastly, we have one more treat for you. Bob sat down and did an interview with me, and it will be posted on H2Minutes this month. So stay tuned for that. Well, don't waste time. Go buy Bob's book and learn about all the ways H2 can improve your lives today.